Apart from that, we have also given the uh, financial powers to the Director of Prosecution as head of department. As you know, the head of department, HOD, has got certain financial powers. So delegation of financial powers was not there for the Director of Prosecution since it's a new department. So we have just regularized it by passing it in the cabinet today, and the financial powers and other delegations have been given to the Director of Prosecution. Um, we have also amended the Delegation of Financial Power Rules 2006 to include the DCA to also have this financial powers, which will be given to the joint secretary of the DCA, which is the District Council Affairs Department. Just to share with you a bit of the background on this, this is important, and I hope you'll cover this part. Earlier, the district councils used to get revenue, or they still get revenue, and they share from transport department, mining department, and forest department. So whenever the district councils used to uh, follow up procedures to get their share, they had to follow up at three different levels with three different departments, and the process was very tedious. So therefore, we have decided as a government now to ease the process of this delegating and distributing the revenues. That DCA now will be the concerned department, or the concerned nodal department, that will now disperse all the revenue shares to the district councils, and they will not have to go to mining, forest, and transport. And so now, to streamline that procedure, the financial delegation and the powers must be also with the joint secretary of the DCA, as there is no HOD of DCA. So the joint secretary is the same level as the head of department and or director, as we all know. So therefore, in line with that, to ensure that this decision is implemented properly, the financial powers now will be delegated to the joint secretary of the DCA. So that decision was taken today, and this will be a very important, I should say, reform in terms of the working system of the district council affairs.